Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your BNB from a secure hardware wallet like Trezor to a more accessible one like Trust Wallet. Today, I'm walking you through this process step by step, so you can do it quickly and safely. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your Trezor device set up and connected to your computer, the Trezor Suite app installed, and the Trust Wallet app on your phone. Also, double-check that you have some BNB in your Trezor wallet. Nothing worse than trying to withdraw what's not there. Step 1. Open the Trezor Suite on your computer and connect your Trezor device. Enter your PIN to unlock it, then navigate to the Accounts section and select your BNB wallet. This is where your funds are stored securely. Next, hit the Send button. You'll need to enter the recipient's address. That's the one from your Trust Wallet. To get that, open your Trust Wallet app, go to the BNB section, and tap on Receive. Copy the address displayed there. Paste it into the Trezor Suite, along with the amount of BNB you want to withdraw. Don't forget to add a small fee for the network transaction to ensure it goes through smoothly. Before you confirm, take a moment to review everything. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so verify the address and amount to avoid any mistakes. Once you're good, hit Send and confirm on your Trezor device. Now, switch back to your Trust Wallet app. It might take a few minutes for the transaction to appear, depending on network congestion. Once it does, you'll see your BNB safely transferred. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw BNB from Trezor to Trust Wallet in 2025. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets and double-checking details. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.